1 to show VLAN brief. Total you have 10 VLANs. So spanning tree 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Total 10 instances. Okay, so check who is our root. By default, so spanning tree switch 1 is root for all VLANs. Yes or no? So how we can implement load balancing? If you will not implement load balancing, switch 3 and 4 connectivity is 23-24. You can see, so spanning tree root port is 4 VLAN 1, root port is 2 3 4 4. For all VLANs root port is 23. Yes or no? Okay, so you want to implement load balancing, simple command VLAN, not VLAN, spanning tree VLAN, spanning tree VLAN 1 2 5 root spanning tree VLAN 1 to 5 root primary, spanning tree VLAN 6 to 10 root secondary. रिवर्स कमांड स्पैनिंग ट्री
14 प्राइमरी होगा।
बताया क्यों नहीं तूने फिर? ओके, स्पैनिंग ट्री VLAN 6 to रूट, अब तो सही है, कन्हैया ना आया ना आज। VLAN 1 to 5 रूट, डन, क्लियर हो गया? ओके, डू सो स्पैन 1 के लिए दिस ब्रिज इज रूट, 2 के लिए दिस ब्रिज इज रूट, 3 के लिए दिस ब्रिज इज रूट, 4 के लिए और 5 के लिए, बट नॉट फॉर 6 के लिए कौन है? 1 के लिए दिस ब्रिज इज नॉट रूट, 2 3 4 5, but for VLAN 6 this bridge is 4 7, this bridge is 8, this bridge is root 9 and 10. yes or no? डन हुआ? ये बच गया था कल छोटा थोड़ा सा। The same scenario, look here, 1 and 2 are root, 1 and 2, sorry, switch 2 and 3 are root. Yes or no? 1 and 4 are not root. So here you can enable spanning tree uplink fast, spanning tree uplink fast. Yes or no? Yes or no? But now you see, uplink fast is enabled for all VLANs, not for a particular VLAN, not for a particular VLAN. Done? Yes or no? अरे बोलो ना.
Yes sir.
Okay, another thing, spanning tree uplink fast, spanning tree backbone fast, spanning tree port fast default. Do show history. Uplink fast, backbone fast, copy it to, done. Now remaining thing, go to 2, spanning tree port fast default, spanning tree port fast default, port fast you have enable spanning tree backbone fast, spanning tree backbone fast, done. Now remaining thing is uplink fast. We know very well backbone fast, sorry, uplink fast is enabled on non-root, uplink fast is enabled on non-root. Switch 2 is root for 1 to 5, but it is non-root for
6 to 10.
6 to
10.
10. Yes or no? Switch 3 is non-root for 1 to 5, but it is root for 6 to 10. Yes or no? Okay. तो क्या करें, अपलिंक फास्ट लगाएं या नहीं लगाएं? Yes or no? But uplink fast is enabled for all switches, all VLANs, not for a particular VLAN. तो क्या किया, स्पैनिंग ट्री अपलिंक फास्ट, हमने कैडा जी करके क्या कर दिया, स्पैनिंग ट्री अपलिंक फास्ट. Yes or no? See the effect. So spanning tree root port is कौन सा है, दिखाया ही नहीं. रूट पोर्ट इज ओके. इंटरफेस F0 बाय क्या किया, डू शो, क्या बन गया, अरे रुक ओके. हाँ 24 पोर्ट इज yes or no? It means uplink fast is working. Uplink fast is
working.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now go to switch to. So spanning tree. It is root. It is root for VLAN 1 to 5. Okay, but not for 6 root port is 21. Interface F0 by do so span VLAN 6 और क्या किया उस पोर्ट को. Now you can see another port is that is in listening, that is in link state. It means uplink fast is not working. Uplink fast is not
Working.
yes or no? Okay, remember default priority is 32768. Now its priority is
286.
remember, if you will use command what primary, priority will be okay. If you will use command done, you have used a command for 6 to 10 secondary, that's why क्लियर हो गया, सेम है, क्लियर हुआ. इफ यू विल यूज प्राइमरी कमांड 2 4 5 7 6 और सेकेंडरी 2 8 6 7 2. yes or no? It means you are changing the priority. If you will change the priority, uplink fast will not work. Done? Any problem? Okay, but for load balancing we have to change the priority. If we are changing the priority, uplink fast is not working. Clear हो गया? What is the drawback of PVST? If someone asks what are the drawbacks of PVST as compared to RSTP and MST, first thing, PVST convergence time is 32 seconds. If you are using load balancing using primary and secondary concept, then uplink fast will not work. Okay, if it is STP, convergence time same, uplink fast will not work because it creates a single instance. And you can't use load balancing. क्या आप नहीं कर सकते? No load balancing. So use after watching these drawback, RSTP was launched. Rapid Spanning Tree Protocols. It's तो लिखना नहीं चाहोगे? तो डेफिनेशन कहीं बाहर से नहीं है, यहीं से है. Okay, these are the two commands to set switch in default. Right raise configuration replace NVRAM startup config force. Clear हो गया? Okay, so spanning tree by default which protocols work? PVST show running config. Now we have to use rstp. क्या यूज करना है? so नहीं, ये नहीं करना. We know very well port fast is not enabled, so default, not default, spanning tree port fast, spanning tree port fast default. Copy this command. This command enabled port fast globally. Done. Go to 3, go to 4. Clear हो गया? Port fast is not enabled by default. Now we have to enable rstp simple command, spanning tree mod. Which one? Rapid pvst. Done. Yes or no? So spanning tree, so spanning tree, which protocol is working now?
RST.
Okay, now conf t do show history. Copy the commands, paste on 2, paste on 3, paste on. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Then enjoy. Go. Practical finish. I'm not joking here. Neither joking nor kidding. Okay, look here. So, spanning tree, which protocol is working? RSTP. Root port is? Root port?
23.
Okay, for our topology, which switch should be root? Switch 1? Switch?
1.
Okay, spanning tree, VLAN, what? 1, 2, 4, 95, रूट
Primary.
प्राइमरी. क्या कह रहा है? बेड इंस्टेंस
94.
बताया क्यों नहीं तुमने? तब तक तो. So spanning tree. Okay. RSTP also create 10 instances. 1 to 1. 1 to. So spanning tree, VLAN 1 instance, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes or no? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to switch. अरे रुक. बस. Root port.
21.
So spanning tree. Uplink fast, backbone fast. क्या करना है? I told you what? Uplink fast and backbone fast by default enable. तो क्या कीजिए? इंटरफेस F0 by
21.
क्या किया जाए? क्या करें? Root port is 20. Root port
22.
no listening learning, but here I have not enabled uplink fast क्योंकि वो enable है, but the feature of uplink fast which is by default enable in RSTP. एक हो गया external feature, एक हो गया one external. External is disabled. But RSTP inbuilt or internal feature is enabled by default. आया समझ में?
वो डिसेबल किसके लिए है?
वो that is work only for PVST.
जब तक कमांड नहीं दिलाएंगे तब तक नहीं होगा.
क्या?
वो इनेबल.
जरूरत नहीं
हाँ,
है उसकी जरूरत.
अब क्या जरूरत है?
अगर इनेबल
अरे आपको बताया था RSTP by default inbuilt feature क्या है? Uplink fast, that is working. When root port will goes down, it will put another port directly in. So spanning tree. नाउ रूट पोर्ट इज इमीडिएटली.
21.
इतना फास्ट कन्वर्जेंस होता था एसटीपी का?
नहीं सर.
नो. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट इज backbone fast. Backbone fast problems only with that switch which is best after root. Who is best after root? 3. Okay, down करो. Interface F0 by
19.
19 to क्या हो गया? रेंज कौन बताएगा? डन. ओके, क्या कर दिया जाए? शट डाउन. डू सो स्पैन immediately. R2 root port elected, go to switch 2, so spanning tree. Done? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
It means backbone fast is also enabled. Yes or no? बोलो तो सही है.
Yes sir.
कर क्या रहे थे हम? हो गया ना. RSTP uplink fast and backbone fast by default enabled. Done. No need to enable them. Only and only port fast you have to enable. Clear हुआ? लोड बैलेंसिंग कराई थी इसमें पहले में? कराया था ना? ओके, नो दिक्कत. लोड बैलेंसिंग सेम. कॉन्फ टी, स्पैनिंग ट्री, वीलेन 1 to रूट,
90.
स्पैनिंग ट्री 6 to 10,
Secondary.
सेकेंडरी गो टू स्पैनिंग ट्री वीलेन 1 to 5 रूट,
Secondary.
स्पैनिंग ट्री वीलेन 6 to
10.
रूट प्राइमरी. डन. ओके, गो टू स्विच टू सो स्पैनिंग ट्री. दिस ब्रिज इज 1 to 5 रूट 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 but not for 6. For 6 root is so spanning tree VLAN 6. This bridge is root 10. This bridge is root. Yes or no? Okay. आपको एक और बताया था, if you will change the priority uplink fast will not. Okay, दिखाया था पहले या नहीं दिखाया था? दिखाया ना. If you will change the priority uplink fast will not work. Done. Okay, older uplink fast will not work, external, but internal will work. Go to switch to so spanning tree VLAN 6. root port is कौन सा है? 21. do so span VLAN 6. that port goes 22 immediately, but in STP it is not working. It is not working, but RSTP it will work because that is inbuilt feature, not external feature. Clear हुआ? Any problem? Can I stop it? कर दो stop या कोई और दिक्कत? You South Star, any problem? नहीं अभी. Root port election same to same. So spanning tree root port is 19. Interface F0 by spanning tree cost. Spanning tree cost. You can change it VLAN wise or globally. If you will type spanning tree cost, it is globally. If you will type spanning tree VLAN 1 cost VLAN wise, तो हमने क्या किया? cost globally कितना रख दिया? 10. So spanning tree root port is, so using cost you can tune the root port election cost of receiver, priority of sender. Done. अब कर दें stop. चल अभी भी नहीं. Go to switch 2 based on the priority. Go to switch 4 So spanning tree root port is root port
90.
interface F0 by spanning tree port priority कितना सेट कर दिया 16. So spanning tree root port 20.
फॉल्ट कैसे करेंगे सर?
No command.
डिफॉल्ट हो जाएगा.
अरे हो जा show running config interface F0 by हाँ 20 सही तो है 90
19.
कंफ्यूज करते हो